reply given by the Leader of the House, Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy साहब sir. But sir, मेरा एक छोटा एक रिक्वेस्ट आपके जरिए ये है कि सीएम साहब सब्र से सुन लीजिए पहले. मेरी बात मुकम्मल ही नहीं हुई, आप उठ के बोलना चाह रहे हैं. You are the Leader of the House, sir. I am very small, sir. Very small. You are too big. Please give us a chance. सर मैं आपको बोलना क्या चाह रहा हूं वो बात बोलने ही नहीं दी, आप उठ गए. आप बात सुन तो लीजिए सर. मैं ये कह रहा हूं सर, आप बोले सेटविन बंद नहीं होगा. सर आई स्टार्टेड बाय सेइंग दैट सर द डिप्लोमास which are been given or not recognized. Now that you are establishing this university, you can link these courses with this university so that a certificate issued by the SETWIN is also recognized. So this is what I wanted to say. Affiliate them. There are many centers which are offering such courses, but unfortunately those courses are not recognized. So by, linking them with this university, those courses can be recognized and the certificates issued by them will hold some weight and value if a student goes abroad and says that I have this certificate, this is recognized. This is what I wanted to say, sir. Sir, and then Honorable CM Saab had said about advanced technology with Tata. So now the question arises, sir, we are spending money with them, with Tata's also. Sir, I have the labor and employment advanced technology centers of ITI and other courses open. These skill centers are very useful for our students. There is no doubt, sir. Tata Technology Limited will also assist in securing employment for these trainees. The project was launched by the Honorable Chief Minister, as he had just mentioned, sir, at Mallepalli ITI, sir, in the month of June. The total cost for this public-private partnership project is 2,324.02 crores, out of which 307.95 crores are to be paid by the government. So my again submission and a question is that, sir, you are spending money here, you are spending money there. So why don't you bring all of these, wherever you are offering, under one umbrella of this university? Sir, ITIs are still very demanding. Sir, मैं एक मोटी बात कहता हूँ, sir, we always talk about, skill development, this and that, sir. Sir, अब अगर आप शहर हैदराबाद में अगर घर बनाते हैं, सर, मैं अफसोस के साथ मैं किसी पे तनकीद नहीं कर रहा हूँ. सर, हमारे पास अगर घर बनाने के लिए मेस्त्री आता है, तो मेस्त्री या तो ओडिशा का रहता है या तो बाहर का रहता है, सर. तेलंगाना में हमको मेस्त्री भी नहीं है. सर, नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, सर, ये गरीब जो जाहिल लोग हैं इनको कर सकते हैं. सर, बड़ाई कारपेंटर, बड़ाई जो बोलते हैं कारपेंटर, आई एम गिविंग जस्ट स्मॉल एग्जांपल, सर. सर, कारपेंटर्स, सर, carpenters are dominated by, again, Rajasthanis, North Indians. Why can't we have carpenters from Telangana, sir? Sir, this false ceiling work also, you see, Uttar Pradesh and other areas, Bihar. So, sir, my submission through you is that, sir, in this skill development university, we should also give an opportunity and a chance to 7th fail and 10th fail student also, so that we can provide them with this skills also. This is what is my submission, sir. Sir, when we say electrician, plumbers, these are also very shortage, sir. Sir, any state's economy first backbone as far as India is concerned, it is agriculture, sir, but the real estate is also one of the biggest factor. And so much of construction is coming up, and unfortunately we are unable to generate employment to our own children, our own people of state of Telangana. So this is why I was just requesting, sir, also IIT Basar also has some courses like this. So are you going to talk with them also? Health University has, Architecture Council also has. So we need to call all of them, sir. Sit together, ask them what are the courses that you are offering, And can we bring them under one umbrella of this university? This is what is my submission, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, in this bill, sir, it has been mentioned that on page number 21, members representing the SC, ST community will be nominated, sir, by the Chancellor. Sir, my submission through you is that, sir. Sir, why only SC, ST, sir? I am not against them. Good. What about OBCs as members? What about women as member? What about minorities as member? Why can't we have them? So I request that kindly bring in this change. And sir, the most important thing is that, sir, what, like when I started by saying that I also run this vocational training. If I want to have a recognition, or if I want to have an affiliation with the university, are you going to take care of and protect the minority rights which is given in the Constitution or not? Sir, what happens is that, sir, in engineering colleges, I'm just giving an example. Sorry, sir, I'm taking time. Sir, engineering colleges, sir, so minority colleges have the right to administer and run the college, sir. But the university people, they say that a selection committee has to be there, wherein a technical education department will have, education department will have, one member from minority college can sit there and they should interview and they should select. We went against that, saying that this is interfering in the minority rights. Then the Supreme Court gave an order and said no, minorities have the right to establish, run and administer their colleges. So now my question is that, sir, in this bill, it is not mentioning, like if a minority education institute goes to the university seeking for an affiliation, minority rights should be protected. And sir, going further ahead, sir, I would like to say that 50,000 is the fees. Sir, 50,000 fees एक गरीब दे सकता है क्या, सर बताइए? सर, आप फीस रिएंबर्समेंट सारे लोगों का नहीं करेंगे. सर, फीस रिएंबर्समेंट में भी एक लेयर है, एक अमाउंट है. अगर इससे ज्यादा उसकी कमाई है तो गरीब को नहीं होगा. If you have to see the accounts as to the amount the government is spending, that is why I am saying, sir, if you bring all the departments which are offering such courses in one umbrella, और सबको पैसे देने का इनको देकर इनके जरिए उनसे अगर काम कराएंगे तो you will have the accounting and you can see then कि क्या can we offer free courses or not. Or sir, we can also do one thing. Sir, I have always been mentioning and shouting and screaming and saying that कि government gives machines. Previous government elections से पहले machine आ दे रहे. Sir, you give a machine, I am not against it. But kindly give a sewing machine to the person or to the woman who has a valid certificate. Not just left and right. तो इसी तरीके से I am saying, sir, कि आप इतना amount अगर खर्च रहे हैं, आप सेटविन में खर्च रहे हैं, दूसरे ITIs में कर रहे हैं, टाटा के साथ आप जाकर उनके साथ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, अब ये यूनिवर्सिटी में भी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. 50,000 is a very big amount, sir. Sir, last year I started junior colleges. Sir, in junior college, I just take 15,000 fees. I'm taking fees, sir. 15,000. NEET, free. Tuitions for 5 months is free. But still, sir, students are unable to pay that 12,000 and 15,000 also. So do you think realistically 50,000 a poor student will be able to pay? Sir, we can also bring in the SC, ST, BC and minority welfare department in collaboration with this university, sir, so that the minority corporation also can select the students and make that payment of those courses to these students, sir. So this is what I just wanted to bring to the kind notice, sir. This is why I was requesting that this can be sent to the select committee. Sir, also 17 आप दिए हैं सर, उसमें एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक सेक्टर को आप भूल गए सर. Sir, National Institute of Fashion Technology. Sir, kindly include that, sir. Include National Lift also, sir. Sir, the state government has given a land, they constructed. Sir, why not NIFT also been brought? We have good girls who are interested in fashion designing. We can provide them with the fashion designing courses. And there are many other things, sir. I will give a letter to the Honorable Minister Saab with all what courses you can include. The reason is that, sir, I have an experience in this, sir. That is why I am saying, sir. Sir, I would also request, sir, with all this, sir, very important thing is that, yes, skill mein, sir, we should make sure that our child learns one foreign language also, sir. Either German, French, Spanish. Sir, in Germany, sir, education is free. For higher studies, if one student from Telangana wants to go to Germany, the compulsion is that he should know to speak German language. Sir, in this skill developmental program, we can also have this. One foreign language can be taught. We can come in collaboration with the French embassy, the Spanish embassy, and also we can also come together with the UK embassy, sir. Sir, if our child knows a foreign language, it will help him, sir. तो मैं यही सजेशंस देना चाह रहा था, बोलना चाह रहा था आपके जरिए, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि मेरी जो बातें जो मैंने आपके जरिए लाया हूं, आप इसके ऊपर भी देखेंगे. एंड ऑल्सो सर, लास्टली आई वुड से, सर प्लीज नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन को स्ट्रेंथन करिए सर.